Okay guys, this is our next video. I'm going to show you guys how to draw a golisopod. Here's a few reminders you must know about golisopod. Golisopod is, well, he is actually Guzma's partner, and he's one of the strongest Pokemon in one of Team Skull's army. As you may know by now, he uses moves like First Impression, that's his signature move, and also there's Liquidation, and technically he knows Poison Jab, Metal Claw, Fury Cutter, Razor Shell, and Iron Defense, Pin Missile. Did I say Pin Missile? And Bug Bite. And, well, basically that's about it. Here's how you draw him. As you can see, I already got started. I started off with the eye, the head, and his antenna. Okay. How will we do this? Here's how you draw his mouth, his whiskers. There we go. There's his head. Well, technically, his head's not really finished, but I'm gonna get started. Here's his palm. Okay, so his claw, his back. Guys, I have a question. Do you think I'm drawing golisopod too big? Okay, so here's his claw, here's his pincer down here. These are his extra mandibles. I think he uses it to pick up food from the ground, and I think he uses it to pick up food from off the ground. And here's his other mandible. Golisopod is a crustacean. He reminds me of the sea scorpions who have lived during the Oligocene era. No, wait, that's the time of mammals. Okay, so here's his third spike. Okay, here's his other claw right here. Here's his claw. Bam. Here's Here's how you draw his claw. His dagger-like claws. Okay then, here's how you draw his finger. It's really big. Here's a known fact about golisopod. His spines stick out his back here. Here's how you draw his panel on his back. Okay, here's his armor thing that goes here. One thing about a golisopod, he's beaten many many opponents, like Primarina. He almost beat Pikachu in the Team Skull when Ash met Guzma. And let's see. Here's his leg. Forgive me if I'm drawing this thing too big. Okay, done with that one. Here's his leg right here. Okay, for you viewers must know, if you think I did golisopod too big, just let me know in the comments below. And if you want to, I'll redraw it. Oh, who am I kidding? It's awesome. Anyways, that's how you draw a golisopod. I'll see you guys again soon.